DevOps versus Platform Engineering. DevOps, speed and automation. DevOps focuses on faster software delivery. Teams build C/CD pipelines, automated deployments, infrastructure as code. The goal: ship software quickly and reliably. The scaling problem: as companies grow, each team builds its own tools. Different pipelines, different environments, different processes. This creates complexity and inconsistency. Platform engineering, standardization. Platform engineering creates internal developer platforms. A central platform team provides pre-configured environments, reusable infrastructure, self-service deployment tools. Developers focus on building products, not managing infrastructure. Key difference: DevOps teams manage their own delivery pipelines. Platform engineering, a shared platform, supports all teams. Why IT matters in 2026. Cloud systems are complex. Standardized platforms improve speed, security, reliability, developer productivity. The future: the best organizations combine both DevOps culture plus platform-driven infrastructure. This balance enables fast, scalable, and reliable software delivery.